Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt here with TRW. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make an awesome hat like this one right here. So we used our strip flock, some of our glitter heat transfer vinyl. We added some rhinestones to it. Made a pretty amazing looking hat. We're going to do a football one out of our Hat Pack Volume 2, which is that one right there. Pretty sweet looking pack right there, isn't it? To be able to do some hats. You can also do shirts as well. Special coupon code in the description below just for watching this video, but stick around to see how. So the different materials and equipment we're going to be using in this quick video, it's mainly going to be a pressing video, is 4 different colors and styles of heat transfer vinyl. We have our royal blue glitter, our copper or orange glitter, we have our football leather heat transfer vinyl, which has that really cool football feel to it, football leather look, which is really awesome for all the football designs. And then we have the Caesar Strip Flock Pro as our bottom layer, because now you can layer strip flock. So we're going to head over here to our Hotronix Auto Clam cap press. We're going to get this cap pressed and let you know how much we have in material cost, hat cost, and how much we can sell a hat like this for. Alright, so we're over here at our Hotronix cap press. This is a pretty awesome press we have available on the website at rhinestoneworld.com. But quick little trick I like to show to fill this area of the hat, and the way that I got this hat so flat like this right here, I actually just stuffed it with paper towels. Pretty sweet, isn't it? Save you some money right there. So we got everything lined up nicely there. And I'm going to come down with a quick little pre-press. I don't even lock it down when I do the pre-press. Everything looks good and straight. So my first layer is going to be my white Strip Flock Pro. Now I am going to use a couple little pieces of our TRW Magic heat tape. And the heat tape is going to hold this design down nicely for me. So let's get this lined up nice. A little bit off the left edge, a little bit off the right edge. Everything looks good there. I'm going to go ahead and drop that down and press this. Now I'm at about 315 degrees right now, but because the Strip Flock Pro now is a hot peel, I don't have to go for that full time and temperature to get that initial tack press, because remember, I'm doing multiple layers here. So I just wanted that initial press to be a tack press. That looks amazing there. Now the football leather is a cold peel, so I'm always going to do the cold peel last. I'm going to come back with my royal blue glitter. I'm just going to trim off this edge real quick. Let's grab some heat tape here, get my left edge and my right edge just to hold it in place, and get this lined up. That looks amazing there. Perfect. Drop that down. I have a little bit of my strip flock exposed, so I can just grab the same carrier sheet that I just used if I don't have any type of protective cover sheet right here with me. Again, only need to go about 2 to 3 seconds on that one, because the glitter as well is a hot peel. Peel that up. That's looking amazing. And then I have my copper orange glitter. Grab that there. This here. Line this bad boy up. And I'm going to trim off this just a little bit, because I want that tape sitting in my glitter, not as much on the flock material. So that looks good there. Drop it down. And again, just to protect it, I'm going to cover my material there and come down again for about a 2 to 3 second press here. And then, as you know, our last press is going to be for our full time and temperature, which is our football leather here. So football leather, let's go ahead, get my heat tape here. Let's get this all lined up nicely. And the software in our actual pack, when you get this design pack, this is the football mom design obviously, but it has all different sports in it. When you get the pack, it's already going to be all color separated and aligned and everything. You don't need to worry about any of that stuff. So we do all of that work for you. Now again, I'm just gonna grab one of my old carrier sheets to protect it, but I'm going down for my full time and temperature of 10 to 12 seconds on this one because it's my last press of heat transfer vinyl, and it's a cold peel on the football leather heat transfer vinyl, which requires that full time and temperature. Now, I do need to wait for that to cool because it is a cold press, so I'm going to get my rhinestone part of the design ready. Grab my heat tape, a little bit off the left edge there, a little bit off the right edge there. So, feeling like it's cooled down pretty good. I'm gonna try to start to peel and see how we're looking. Take that off there. Still a little warm in this area, so I'm just kind of applying some pressure against it with my hand to kind of cool it down a little bit. And we're good to go. So if I wanted to, this hat could be completely done now. How awesome does that look? Check out that football leather for the football part of the design. Now the school colors are royal blue and orange, so we use the Caesar glitter heat transfer vinyl for that, and then our base white layer back behind is just our Strip Flock Pro, which is a layerable strip flock material, which has that flock feel to it. Now let's go ahead and add the stones to it. So I did the stones with our Magic Flock Rhinestone template material. Check out some other videos on the channel to learn about that. I'm using my orange SS10 Korean low lead stones. Everything's going to line up perfectly because we did all of that work in the file for you guys already. And then let's go ahead and cover it up just to protect our material again. Looks good. Again, full time and temperature because I'm doing the rhinestones. We need to activate that hot fix glue on the back of the stone so it adheres good to this glitter. Alright, good to go there. Let's go ahead and take our hat off. Now, I'm going to pull off my initial sheet that was just protecting my strip flock and glitters and everything. And then for the stone side of it, I'm just going to let this cool down just a little bit because I did press it to glitter. And most of you are thinking right now, he can't press rhinestones to glitter. The reason why we can is we're not going to be putting this hat through the washing machine. So I know I'm going to be fine with this. Even if I put it through the dishwasher, it's going to be fine. Let's peel that off there. And we got ourselves a finished glitter football leather with rhinestones and strip flock hat. How awesome is that? Alright, so that's it, crew. We just finished up our custom hat here. Just to give you an idea on the actual cost in this, let's say we got this hat right here for $2.50. Okay, so the hat's $2.50. All of my heat transfer vinyl, I figured all that out in our software, the TRW Design Wizard. In actual heat transfer vinyl with the football leather, with the copper glitter, with the royal blue glitter, and the white strip flock, I had exactly 68 cents in heat transfer vinyl cost. Okay? I had 12 cents in rhinestone cost. Okay? So that's 80 cents in material cost, $2.50 in my hat, right? That's pretty inexpensive. Only having $3.30 in total material and product cost. Now, it did take me probably, if I'm doing a bunch of these, I would say it would take me maybe 5 minutes to do each one because I could cut out multiples of all of them. So $3.30, let's just say, worst case scenario, $10 an hour employee, right? A $10 an hour employee, and it takes them 10 minutes to do each one. That means we're about $1.66 per hat when it comes to labor cost. So our total material and labor cost is about $5.48. I'm going to sell this hat easily for a minimum of $15, not customized. But as soon as I add the stones, now I'm at $20. So think about this hat, throw a little custom number on it. I'm at $20 for the hat. I'm actually profiting $14.52 on each hat. So $14.52 on each hat. You make 10 of them, you're making $145 in actual profit. Huge margins in doing visors and caps and hats and things like this, especially customizing them like we did on the baseball mom one here, and we did a custom number in glitter and rhinestones as well. So hope this video helped you out as far as pressing with the Hotronix Auto Cap Press. Gave you some ideas on how to layer using the new Caesar Strip Flock Pro, which is a layerable hot peel strip flock material that's pretty awesome. But again, the design I used was from this pack right here, our Hat Pack Volume 2. Special coupon code right in the description below for you to get this pack at a special pricing, plus Hat Pack 1, that one right there that has some other sports. Also use that same coupon code, get a deal on that as well. Thanks for watching, crew. Please click that like button, smash that subscribe button, and comment below and let me know if these videos are helping you guys out. Really appreciate it. You guys have an amazing day. We'll see you soon. Later.